Hello students, good morning to all of you. My name is Sanjay Thakur. Today we are discussing about Rolle's theorem and its proof. Last time we discussed about Rolle's theorem and its geometrical interpretation. So now should we start? So first of all, I recall you कि last time we discussed about Rolle's theorem. So Rolle's theorem says that if any function which is continuous over closed interval a b and differentiable in open interval a b and f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists at least or some real number in between a and b. So we say C belong A in A comma B. So such that f dash C is equal to 0. It means f dash C is equal to 0. It means slope of tangent to curve at point C is equal to 0. This is the statement of Rolle's theorem. So how we can prove it? So first of all we discuss about case first, case second and case third. So here case first says that any function f of x is equal to k. Here k means constant function. Any function which is constant, it means f dash x is equal to 0 because the derivative of constant function is equal to 0. Then there exists some c belong open interval a b. It means at that point c f dash c is equal to 0. F dash c is equal to 0. It means the derivative of function at point c is equal to 0. It means this proof is valid when function is constant. So I tell you about the graph of constant function. If you take any function, first of all we discuss any function just like this. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Similarly, we take here x dash and this is y dash. So constant function, how we can show on the graph? So y is equal to similarly we can say y is equal to some constant number, that is numerical value. We say f of x is equal to 5. In this way we write f of x is equal to 5 or we say y is equal to 5. It means the graph of this constant function give us the parallel line which is parallel to this x-axis. So it means the distance here, the coordinates. If you know about the coordinate geometry, then we can easily find the coordination of this point 0, 5. It means here x is equal to 0 and now y is equal to 5. This is the coordinates we show in the order here. Now Now the question arises here, for negative value of x, for negative value of x and positive value of x, y remains same, y remain same in the constant function. If we take any input, or simply we also show in this form, if we take any function whose domain is the set of real number, also whose codomain is the set of particular number which is also belong to a real number. I say here 5 x, सॉरी यहाँ पे 5, तो y f x की कोई भी वैल्यू टेक करें हम, जैसे 1 2 3 4, इट मीन्स f of 1 equal to 5, f of 2 equal to 5, f of 3 equal to 5 or f of 4 equal to 5. This is the constant function. Now we take second case, when f of x greater than f of a, when x take greater than f of a, it means this one x belong in the open interval AB. We also related with the diagram here, A and B is the 2 point which is equal, and the function f of x at the top, it means first of all we say कि f of increasing f of x at max value and then after goes decrease. It means f has maximum value in AB. In this point, the f of x shows maximum value here. It means a and b also equal, so then we write here f of a is equal to f of b. Now we want to show that the tangent line draw at here on f dash x. So f dash is equal to 0, this point C here. So let maximum value at C belong in the open interval excluding AB. Better remember this, in open interval. F dash C is equal to 0. It means this is the value which we get at that time when the function is greater than f of a. So now when the function is less than f of a, we draw curve just like this. This is downward and this is upward curve. So it means f of x lie here in this point. Also we take C belong A B here, where at that point we can easily draw the tangent. F dash C is equal to 0 here, A and B also equal here. So we get if we compare these two diagrams, we get this is highest and this is lowest. It means this is maximum value and this is minimum value at this particular point C. So similarly we write here x belong A B and f of A is equal to B. Now we take here maximum value because the curve show downward and this curve show upward. Here f has maximum value at x is equal to C, where C belong A comma B. Also x belongs A and B, but f dash C is equal to 0. It means the derivative at that particular point is equal to 0. This give us the slope of tangent at that point. This is all about Rolle's theorem and its proof. In your examination, the examiner asks you about state and prove Rolle's theorem. So we can easily define in this manner. Along with the diagram, I also show the diagram of constant function, because the tangent of constant function show this is the only line we draw here in this manner, also greater than, also less than. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.